Okay, now let's look at the menu for x squared, x cubed, etc. polynomial functions. Let's look at the kinds of programs that are in there. This is just an overview of this submenu. There, the laws of exponents, introduction to exponents, and easy powers. These are all like the first, when you first start to do these topics, these would be the things that you would introduce at first. And then graphing of quadratic equations and graphing polynomials, rational root theorem, Descartes' rule of signs, complex numbers. Working your way up, things get harder. Multiplying binomials is like an algebra 1 skill. Factoring out the GCF, factoring by grouping, factoring trinomials, factor cubes, zeros from a graph, equations from roots, piecewise functions. Rational wars has to do with solving rational expressions. It's not really polynomials or anything, but we found that these students at about the same level needed to have help with rational expressions and solving equations with rational functions. So that's sort of like a misnomer in the wrong, but I didn't know where else to put it. Adding rationals, and so the rationals equations are in here. Completing the square, the quadratic formula, synthetic division, the binomial expansion, and then a matho quiz. But there are no self-grading quizzes in this, but you can use some of the programs to see if students know what they're doing, or check yourself. But this is an overview of the higher powers polynomials. So hope that just gives you an overview. We'll look at each one of these programs separately later.